Today we're fitting the MC Motorsports slave cylinder for the Ducati Monster 600. This is because the current slave cylinder that is on my bike is a stock Ducati one, which is renowned for actually leaking, and of course mine has sprung a leak. Now traditionally, of course, you could just replace the O-ring, refactor it, but that will give you another couple of years worth of life by all the forum accounts. And there are a couple of options available within the UK. First of all is the MC Motorsports, which is the one I've gone for, or Oberon, which are also a UK-based company, but are about twice the price of MC Motorsports. And considering I picked this one up on eBay for £40, you can't complain. So although mine's second hand, this has come complete. The only thing that it's missing are the instructions, which, as we can see, we're not going to need. It's got the 3 mounting bolts, 2 crush washers, and the spacer. The actual main unit is here, and I've already opened it to have a little look through, and it all looks to be relatively good condition. We're talking a nice black unit. You can get them in a variety of colours. I went with black, and we should be able to fit this on today, plug and play, and bleed the brake clutch, and we should be back on the road. and it's half an hour later, and as you can see, I had to drill it out. Bit of scuffing on the top there. That's the bottom one where I had to drill. test. It all slots in and out of gear now nice and easily. The clutch feels fine. What I need to do really is take it for a test run, see how the fluid levels go. It looks like that's all nice so far, nothing is leaking. I'm just going to put the clutch cover, the sprocket cover back on, and then we are finally done. This was probably the most nightmare job I've had to do on this bike since I got it. And that is 110% due to that bloody nut that required drilling out. Because someone, probably me, at some point must have overtalked it. And I will take the blame because currently it is my bike and that's the way it goes. Interestingly, I think the clutch pull feels pretty much the same as before. I don't feel any significant difference. Maybe a touch lighter. But that all looks quite good. I'm really quite pleased with that. And we'll see how that gets on long term. In the meantime, I may sit down and rebuild the old clutch slave, because as you can see, it is absolutely rotten. But maybe with a new seal and a bit of a touch up, I can get it cleaned back up and put it back together. So that might be a project for another day. All right, thanks very much.